Hi guys, I'm Mario and today we're going to talk about how to convert PDF file to JPEG file. We will be converting this file, how to convert PDF to Word. Stick to the end of this video and I'll share with you 15 useful softwares you don't know exist. So let's open Google and type PDF to JPEG. Choose the first result ilovepdf.com. Select a PDF file and upload it. It's totally free, no registration needed, nothing. Now convert to JPEG. And now simply download JPEG images. Now just open the image. And this is it. Thanks for watching. To know about the 15 softwares, click the link at the top of this video.